Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be making some golden milk cupcakes, and this one is from the guys at Jamaican Mountain Peak. This recipe is going to be so yummy, it's going to be gone within seconds. Today's episode is being sponsored by Amco with brands such as Naturally Almond, McCallum's, Frank's, French's, Jamaican Mountain Peak, Caribbean Dreams, Bragg and Lucima. So let's jump straight into this one. We're going to add all of our dry ingredients into our sifter. And of course, all of the ingredients will be listed in the description box down below. Once you've added in all of those ingredients, now we're going to add in our Mountain Peak special mixture. This is a latte and I'm going to add 2 packs of that. Sift well. And once it's sifted, you're going to set this aside. I'm just going to give it a quick mix here to make sure it's incorporated properly and set aside. Now the next step is bringing together all of the wet ingredients. So honey, coconut oil, and we're going to mix this until it comes together. Now once this starts to come together, add in 1 egg. Mix, and then add in your vanilla essence or extract. Now once you mix that up well, you're going to add in your flour in thirds, or that flour dry mixture that we made. So add in 1/3 of it and give it a mix. Now you want to do this on a low speed, you don't want to over mix the batter. And then we'll add in half of the milk. Bring that together, and then we'll add in the 1/3 again of flour. The rest of the milk, continue to mix on low, and once it comes together, then we'll add in the last set of flour. So after this comes together, we'll add in the rest of milk. So we're doing it alternately and in thirds. The last bit of dry ingredients went in there. Mix until it comes together, and then stop, and using a spoon or a spatula, scrape down on the sides of your bowl and give this a mix to make sure that it's incorporated properly. And then we can scoop this out into our muffin pans. I got 11 because I overfilled some of my muffin liners, but you can get 12 muffins from these if you just fill them halfway up. And if you wanted like a really big muffin, fill it 3/4 of the way. Now this goes to bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. When they're done, allow them to cool down completely before you frost them. So let's make the frosting. So to 1 block of cream cheese, I'm going to add 1 packet of the Mountain Peak's pumpkin spice golden turmeric latte. Give that a mix. Now you want to taste this and see if you want to add sugar or icing sugar to make it sweet, but I think it's perfect on its own. I'm just sprinkling a little food coloring just to give it some color and some vibrancy, and I'm just going to swirl it in a little, and then I'm going to put this in a piping bag. Now all you have to do is pipe it onto the cupcakes once they're cooled. If you try to pipe this when they're warm, it's going to slide right off. And you can see the little peak of orange when I'm piping, and that's what I was going for. Now look how soft, how airy, and how spongy and moist this cake is. Absolutely scrumptious. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it and let me know what you think. Thank you so much to Amco for sponsoring today's episode. Find all of these ingredients at leading supermarkets in Trinidad and Tobago. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.